What's up? Welcome back to another video. My name is Vanessa and welcome to my channel. So today I thought I would make a video talking about Shopify and talking about all of the apps that I love to use and have installed inside of my Shopify store to help me get more sales. So I am going to actually show you guys on the screen as well as explain some of the pros of each app. So if you guys do like this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on another video like this. And when you're done watching this video, make sure you check out the Boss Queen playlist down below, and I'll probably put it up here so you can go and watch more videos like this, where I show you behind the scenes, how to start, your own hair care line, skincare line from the ground up. So before we get started, I just have to show you guys close up of my hair. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera, but I did get some color in it. It's been almost like 10 years since I've colored my hair, but I thought it was time for a change. I got some more shape and I'm super excited to, start the hair growth challenge with my vitamins as well as all my new products that are coming out. I have some new ones that I just put some labels on here. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure that you do because I am posting more behind the scenes content as we launch a whole bunch of new products in line for Mother's Day. So I hope that this video will be up before then, because if it is, we are launching a whole new collection, pretty much like 2 different collections this May, as well as some new things coming next month. So if you guys were following me on Instagram, I kind of posted a reel. So if you guys are following me on Instagram, go in. If you aren't, go and follow me and watch the reel that I posted and let me know what you think, what type of products we will be launching with soon. So I'm super excited for this, just the rebirth and rebranding of Royalty Curls. It's a long time coming. I mean, it's literally since before Christmas, I have been, working hard with new products, new formulations, just getting everything. So I'm super excited to finally start to launch it and get it up on the website and start to see, more curly queens using Royalty Curls, because for some time we were just pretty much selling the hair growth oil. So I'm really excited to have new products on the website and just like see where this brand goes because I have big goals this year and I'm determined to reach them. So that's enough of me rambling. I know that you guys clicked on this video because you want to know the best apps to install inside of your Shopify store so you guys can get more sales. So let's get straight into it. All right, so the very first app that I would recommend installing into your Shopify store is the Luxe app. So I'll put it right here on the screen as well as show you guys. But pretty much what this app is and why I recommend it, it's because it is a review app. So, I'm not gonna lie, it is, you do have to pay for it monthly and it's not that cheap, but it's really great to have because once somebody places an order on your website, the Luxe app is gonna automatically send, and you can set it up as well, like a campaign. So say, for example, 7 days after they order, they're going to get an email saying like, what did you think about the products? And it's going to ask them to upload a photo review or a text review. And I'll show you on my website too what it looks like so you guys can see kind of like on a website. But it asks them to put a review on your website. So one, what does reviews do on a website? It gives you brand awareness. It shows that people are using your products, that your products work, and tells people why they should buy it. And that is super important because when people are shopping online, most of us, I would say 98% of the time, go and look at the reviews before purchasing an item. So it's very important to have those reviews on your website. And when it comes to e-commerce, if you're like a new brand, it is hard to sometimes get those reviews. Like, if you're not asking them, sometimes people won't. Unless it's a bad review, I feel like people are easily more inclined to put a bad review on a website than they are to put a good one, unless they really love it. So with installing the Luxe app, you're able to set up a campaign. You can do a week after, 2 weeks, a month, 3 months after. You can set it up to kind of like ask them to add reviews onto the website. You can also set up other email campaigns, and I just really recommend using this app to bring more brand awareness and reviews on your website. The next app I would recommend is the Goaffpro app. And I've talked about this in my influencer series here on my channel. What this app is, it allows you to, one, have ambassadors and give them commission for promoting your products. So if you're a small business, you know how important it is to have influencers and ambassadors promote your products. If you're a small business, sometimes it's hard to pay. So at least if you are able to work with micro influencers, you can offer them commission off sales. So that means once they would, you'll give them a code, they will promote it. If somebody purchases by using their code, the Goaffpro Pro app is going to collect an amount of commission, whatever you set in the app. And so then, you know, you can pay them out every month or every 2 weeks, whatever you want to do. But then it allows that influencer to actually get an income for promoting your products without having to actually pay. So it's a great affiliate marketing app so that you can have influencers and ambassadors work with you and pay them commission off your sales. So I really like it because you can set it up so that if you have influencers that, you know, have like a swipe up feature in their Instagram stories or something where you can directly place their link so that when people are purchasing and they forget the code, they can just use their link. So definitely recommend checking out the Goaffpro app if you are wanting to have influencers and ambassadors for your brand, but also pay them some sort of compensation for, you know, promoting your brand. The next app that I recommend is Pirate Ship. So Pirate Ship is a third-party shipping service. So when I ship all my products, I integrated the Pirate Ship with my Shopify store. So whenever I need to ship products, I go to Pirate Ship through my, you know, I can go to pirateship.com and just log in, or you can go straight through Shopify and you just go import through, you know, import my Shopify orders, and then you can see all your orders that have came through Shopify in Pirate Ship, and you can ship your products and they will get alerts just like they would in Shopify that their products have shipped. So I like using Pirate Ship because it's the cheapest rates that you can get. If you know, combine, like you can still charge for shipping on Shopify, but if you go to Pirate Ship, most of the time you can get the cheapest shipping for like USPS, FedEx, and UPS. So highly recommend that just to check it out. I always, depending on what it is, if it's like a new bundle or something, we'll cross check between Shopify and Pirate Ship. But about 99% of the time, Pirate Ship is going to get you the cheapest labels, the cheapest shipping options available. The fourth app I recommend installing in your Shopify store is Omnisend. So Omnisend is like an email marketing similar to MailChimp, but the reason why I like this is because you can have more subscribers. So I started with MailChimp, but as my brand grew and I have more email subscribers, the price per like what you could do with MailChimp features versus Omnisend, it was just better for my brand to do Omnisend. And I really like it because you can have pop-up features on your website for email capture and their phone number capture. So then you can also send SMS marketing, so you can send them text messages. So that's one reason why I downloaded the Omnisend app, so that I can actually email, not just email market, but text message market people, because most of the time statistics show that people are opening up, obviously, their text messages more than they are even opening up their emails. So it's very important to do text message marketing, and that's one thing that I'm trying to implement more this year, which is why I downloaded the app, so then I can be in direct contact with my customers, so then you can get more orders. So I have been getting really great results with the email marketing, but you know, it's always great to try other marketing avenues. So check out Omnisend and see for yourself. So the fifth app I would recommend downloading is Printful. Printful is a print-on-demand third-party app. So you can upload, and I actually just recently did a video about it. It was like the video before this. You can download your logo and you can print on demand on custom merch. So like mugs, t-shirts, anything like that. And so I recommend if you have a hair care line and you want to include, you know, some products, t-shirts, hats with your logo on it, but not really have them in stock, that you check out Printful, because what happens is once a person places an order on your Shopify store, Printful will get alerted that they purchased that. They will print your logo on whatever that customer ordered, and then they will actually ship it out for you. So it's a great addition to add to your store. It brings the average order value up a little bit because people are purchasing your merch off of your website. And last but not least, the last app that I would download into your Shopify store to help you get more sales would be the Tidio chat app. So what this app does is it allows you to have a feature on your website for live chat. You can set the hours, and so it just kind of gives your customers a little bit more, you know, security, so that if they did have a question or something that they wanted to ask you live, you can set up the hours that you want to be online, or you can literally download the app to your cell phone. So if somebody does inquire about a product or any customer service issue on the Tidio live app, but they can easily just click on the little live app, and then they will be able to ask you a question live, and you can just text them right back. It just gives your customers that little extra customer service by being able to be in contact with the brand and the company that they're wanting to spend their money with live and faster than possibly an email. So I hope that this video helped you guys. Check out those apps that I recommend. I've been using them for about a year or two. It's definitely a learning, experience. A couple of them I just started using, like Omnisend, but they definitely have helped with getting more sales on my Shopify store. So I hope that it helps you guys out as well. So if you guys like this video, make sure that you guys like and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss out on another video like this. Make sure you guys go check out my brand, Royalty Curls, and support. Follow me on Instagram so you guys will be notified when more products launch, because we have so many new things in store, and I just feel like the end of this year and for sure coming up next year, big things are going to be coming for Royalty Curls, and just with everything that's happening. Focusing all my energy in my hair care line and just taking a step back from the subscription box business has really helped me progress and really feel more motivated, just because, owning a subscription box business is not easy. Especially if you are ever thought about having a hair care subscription box business. It's really hard to make a profit because hair products are so expensive and people don't want to pay so much money for a subscription box. So to be honest, for a couple years, I was not making any profit from that business. And so I just had to see, with everything that's going on in my life right now, what is most important, what is worth my time. And even though I love doing the monthly boxes and all of that, it's just years of the same thing but never a different result. That's the definition of crazy, right? So I had to just kind of cut my losses there last year, and just since then spending so much more time, energy, money in Royalty Curls, I've been able to grow, and we are still growing. There's so many things that are we're cooking up, and yeah, so make sure you guys check it out. On May 1st, we are launching, I can tell you guys first, so we are launching our merch collection. It's about 4 products. It's definitely a start to something that I'm super excited for, because I am doing something else with the channel and with my own personal brand, and that's probably going to be some months and years in the making just because the cost of everything. But being able to see my products on merchandise and have you guys, my customers and friends and things like that wear them, I'm going to be super excited. So I actually have put an order in for some shirts. There are Royalty Curls length check shirts, our crown length check shirts. I'll post a picture here so you guys can see what it is. But definitely, so I plan on selling this with a bundle of my hair care oil and the vitamins and the scalp massager, just kind of as the complete hair growth bundle where you can track your hair growth. That was one of the main reasons why I was ready to cut my hair again, and I always cut it around summer, to be honest. But yeah, wanting to cut my hair so I can start the challenge with you guys, and just, I don't know, it's time for something new. And let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the new color and do. I'm gonna go back in probably about 8 weeks and just get a couple more honey color in there. We had to start slowly, but I'm excited. I'm excited for the new growth, the new mindset, the new everything. So yeah. So if you guys made it to the end, you guys know, comment a purple heart so I know that you guys made it to the end. You're the OGs and you're loving the content. Comment down below another video, maybe idea that you guys would like to see. I have a whole list over here on the shelf of videos I need to do. I'm still working on the ebook. I'm putting all the content together, and that will be going live soon, and I'll let you guys know here first on YouTube. So yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all the links down below in the description box, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.